Ini adalah mie Belitung kuah.
Mie Belitung kuah, tapi ini variasi dengan ketam, dengan kepiting lokal.
Oh, yeah.
Tanpa listrik.
Tanpa listrik, oke.
Sendok garpu.
Pakai tangan boleh, pakai sendok garpu boleh. Ini biasanya tangan pun
Pakai tangan lebih enak.
ini boleh pakai ini.
Sausnya manis atau pedas? Awas ya, katanya pedas.
Yeah.
So this is Ketam Isi, artinya kepiting yang ada isinya.
Yeah. So Ketam is like the local language here for the crab. So usually even for the Mie Belitung they used to use the shrimp, but this one they use the ketam.
So this is apparently khas Belitung. Should we try it?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so this is just the shell. So they filled up an actual crab shell with something we hope is delicious. Coba ya?
I'm sure it is.
Might be delicious. Let's find out. Can you do the saus kah?
No.
Adanya Pak goreng. Ambi goreng.
Enak.
Ada.
Oh, no. There you go.
A lot of crab meat.
Huh.
It's good, but I think it needs the sauce.
I think you can use the sauce anyway. I think just feel free to use them. So this one must be for the crab lover.
You don't love crab that much?
No, I'm trying to figure out like how they make it. Of course, with the crab. You can see so many crab. Do you think they mix with the eggs or something? It's kind of sharp like this part.
Yeah, the outside has a little bit of tepung. A little bit of flour. I don't know.
It's cool.
It's good.
So try if you come to Belitung. I hope I do not eat the shell.
I hope you don't eat the shell either.
So if you eat fish you will get bone, and this one you will get shell. Have you tried with its sauce?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Great.
Is it better?
You know what I'm gonna do? This is crazy.
Okay, we'll have another one. Yeah.